In this video, we'll explore key components for designing mosquito surveillance activities. Let's break it down step by step. Objectives. The first step is to define the main purpose of your surveillance. Are you aiming to understand Aedes species distributions and densities? Do you want to study mosquito behaviours, such as biting or resting patterns? Are you mapping larval habitats or assessing insecticide resistance status? Targets. Next, identify which Aedes species and life stages you'll monitor. This could include Aedes aegypti, Aedes albopictus, Aedes polynesiensis, or other species that you suspect are present or are an incursive threat. Decide whether to survey adults, pupae, larvae, or eggs, or a combination of these. Methods. You then need to choose the collection techniques best for your targets. For adults, consider BG sentinel traps, resting collections, sweep nets, or gravid traps. For larvae and pupae, use key container surveys or household surveys. Eggs can be collected with ovitraps. To assess insecticide resistance, if possible, use adult mosquitoes reared from collected eggs or larvae. Sites and locations. Determine the geographic scope of your surveillance. Will you include sites throughout the country or focus on specific islands or other locations? Define sampling criteria, such as sites in urban or peri-urban areas, at points of entry or in other high-risk zones. Choose your sampling design, such as random, cluster, or household sampling, to collect representative data. Timing and frequency. Plan carefully when you will survey mosquitoes. This could be at set time intervals or at specific times, such as at the peak of the rainy or dry season or after extreme weather events. Decide on a schedule, once off, monthly, bi-monthly, or weekly. Set the duration for each collection method, such as leaving ovitraps in place for 5 days each month. Indices. Entomological indicators will depend on the targets and collection methods. These may measure adult occurrence, density, or resting location. Resistance status and frequency may be calculated. From larval collections, larval habitat availability and key larval habitats can be determined. Cross-sectoral coordination, partner collaboration, and community engagement. Consider how sectors beyond health can be involved in mosquito surveillance, such as education and tourism sectors. Engagement of local communities can be critical during planning and implementation also. Community leaders and groups should be involved to ensure inclusiveness, to promote awareness and feedback, and to combine surveillance and control activities for greater impact. Data management and use. Lastly, the design should identify clear protocols for data collection, storage, analysis, and dissemination. Findings can then be used to inform intervention selection, targeting, and impact evaluation. By carefully considering each of these components, you can design a robust mosquito surveillance plan tailored to your context to support efficient and effective vector control.